Hi everyone, why is Google Assistant connected to your apps? Check these Android settings. So let's get started. First, open the Google apps on your Android phone. Tap on the profile icon in the top corner. Scroll down. Tap on settings. Go to Google Assistant. Scroll down and find apps. Tap on your apps and you will see a list of apps connected to Google Assistant. Select any apps that you want to disconnect it. Turn off the toggle to remove the connections. Repeat the same steps for others apps if needed. Now your Google Assistant will no longer be connected to those apps. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.